Hey guys, it's Edie, your video and YouTube strategist, and I wanted to talk today about personalized videos. Now, personalized videos have been around for a little bit. They are AI based or artificial intelligence based, and they're starting to be a trend, but they haven't fully enveloped our atmosphere yet. So it's not the norm that people are using personalized videos because they haven't leveled the playing field as much yet in terms of being able to do it on a super affordable basis or even for free. But it's still something that I think would be important because it is a great way to boost engagement with your audience as well as to grow your audience through using personalized videos. Now, what is a personalized video and why is it something that I would need to use in my business? Essentially, a personalized video is created by an AI or artificial intelligence pulling information about the viewer and incorporating it into the video at the same time as they're watching it. So perhaps either you already know who it is that you're directing this video to, or you can have a video that's housed on a website, and I'm going to show you an example in a little bit, where you have somebody fill in their name and then you can see their name appear in the video almost instantaneously. And that's because it's AI based. Now, why is that important? It's important because in all likelihood, people are going to click on a thumbnail or click on a video that is personalized to them. So I wanted to talk today about what platforms I use to create personalized videos and when I use those videos. Now, in this example, I'm using Loom. And so with Loom, you can do personalized videos. It's not as precise as another platform that I'm going to quickly feature, but I just want to show you how I use it. I typically use Loom when I am doing some sort of a review or an audit of a YouTube channel or perhaps of a video. I also use it a lot when I am responding to my clients or prospects' questions. So if they email me a question for clarification or that they just don't know how to do something, I will more than likely reply with a video because for me, it's faster for me to show you and tell you rather than actually sit down and type it out. So in this example, this is a client where I just did, or a prospect where I just did a quick YouTube audit of her channel. And so the way that I can personalize this, beyond, obviously, it has her channel on here. You can see that just from the screenshot that's available. It's titled with her name in it. I'm going to go over here to where it says edit your video, and that's where I can add in some more personalization charm, if you will. There's two areas that I can do that. I can do it with a custom thumbnail and I can do it with a call to action. Custom thumbnail is just exactly what it is. You can create a custom thumbnail with the client's name on it or something that will drive their attention and cause them to click on it. You could literally say, important, click me, or, Deanna, this is for you. You can say anything that you want on your custom thumbnail. The other one is a call to action, and this allows you to embed a clickable link or an overlay on top of the final screen or last few seconds of the video that will encourage the viewer to click it. So you can personalize this you can literally type in click me, Deanna, and then you can put in the link that it's going to go to. You can change the colors to match your branding if you want. You can change the shape of the button itself. And then when you're finished, you can, it doesn't have a link, so it's not going to let me save it. But then when you're finished, you can save it. So that's one way that I use Loom to personalize. Now, in order for you to be able to access this aspect of it, being able to do the call to actions or the custom thumbnails, you are going to have to upgrade to their pro features. And their pro features right now, due to the COVID-19, is been reduced monthly to $5 a month. Their normal rate, I believe, is about $9 a month, which is still pretty good. But like I said, this is a multi-purpose platform that you can use to just record your screen recordings if you don't want to purchase a more expensive software program that you can use to do those, or you can use it in addition to that, you can use it to personalize content that you want to send specific to prospects and clients. Now, the other platform that I want to talk to you about is called GoVideo by Vidyard. Now, this also offers a free opportunity. You just have to log in or sign up and download a Chrome extension that is housed up here. This is actually where mine is, and so I can click on it and you can see that it gives you obviously a tab for notifications and ones for videos. If any of you are familiar with Loom, this kind of looks a little bit like the way that Loom has theirs set up. They also offer the ability to have picture-in-picture. So if I had this available, I can't use my camera right now because I'm using my camera. Actually, I'm not using my camera at the moment, so I can remove camera. Oh, it's not going to, okay. It's not going to let me because the software that I'm using is actually utilizing my camera, even though you can't see me on camera yet. But with this, you can see that a circle appeared. It's the same as in Loom. I would be pictured here so I could walk someone through whatever's happening on the screen. If I just wanted to record the screen, then I would just be able to record the screen. Or if I just wanted to record myself, then I would be able to record myself, and the screen is behind here, but you can't see anything because it's not able to capture my camera at the moment because my camera is occupied. So anyway, so it is free. This is the library, and I wanted to come into the library really quickly just so that you can see that you can do a different type of personalization than you can on Loom. In these examples, I actually held up a whiteboard and I had the prospect's name on it, and then I was able to, so that was their thumbnail. This one is a GIF thumbnail. This is a standard image thumbnail, or GIF, whatever the pronunciation is. And so what I wanted to do is to show you that you can do this in GoVideo, but you can't in Loom. And the reason is because when you hold up words to the camera in Loom, it actually appears backwards. So GoVidyard has done something in the back end that allows the video to record your text the same way that you want them to see it. So as a mirror, as opposed to whatever the back end of a mirror is. So this actually is pretty cool. It works similarly to Loom. The only difference is Vidyard, or at least GoVideo by Vidyard, does not have a desktop version. They do have the Chrome extension, but they don't have the desktop version, so you would have to come up here, which isn't really an inconvenience. You can do the same for Loom. This is my Loom for Chrome, even though I do have it on my desktop as well. Now, for the price of Vidyard, Vidyard does have a free plan, and the free plan allows you to upload and share as many videos as you want, and you're able to track the video views, meaning how many times your video was viewed by the recipient or recipients. You can embed your videos, say for example on your website or on your blog if you want, but they limit you to only 5 videos. And then you can record your screen for free, obviously using the Chrome extension. Now, I'm assuming that hopefully if you go pro, they give you an app that you can download, but I've not gone pro because I use Loom, so I don't really need to use it. But if you want to go pro, they do extend your capabilities a little bit more. It's $19 a month if you want to pay monthly, and it's $15 a month if you want to pay annually. So I actually enjoy both platforms, and I've used both platforms. With Vidyard does have the capability of doing personalization a little bit more so than Loom does, and I will share with you in a second how you can do that.
Chances are you click play because you saw your name in the thumbnail. It's proof that personalized video is the best way to grab attention and pull your viewer into the story. Vidyard's video personalization lets you instantly generate an unlimited number of unique videos for every individual viewer based on their personal information. Create engaging, personalized content for your website, email, or marketing campaigns. Personalized video helps businesses, like yours, better connect with prospects and customers. Say hello to irresistible video and say goodbye to being ignored. Get started with personalized video from Vidyard today.
So some of the ways that you can use personalized videos is if you want to extend invitations to your audience, or if you're promoting products or services. If you want to do holiday greetings, wouldn't it be nice to receive or have someone receive a video that says, you know, happy holidays, whatever their name is? Like I showed you, you can do call to actions, custom call to actions. You can also do thank you videos or even recruitment videos, whether it's you're in the educational world and you're recruiting students, or if you're in the HR world and you're recruiting salespeople or employees. So there's a multitude of different ways that you can use personalized videos that will go a great way for you boosting your engagement, encouraging people to click on your videos, as well as growing your audience, because the likelihood of them clicking and then saying, oh my God, I got this cool video from so-and-so, isn't that cool? It's not necessarily a video that is going to be something that's going to be on YouTube and that's going to get you tons of views and things of that nature. But video isn't only for YouTube. Video can be used for a plethora of different platforms: social media, email, website, obviously YouTube, and training videos. So there's a multitude of reasons why you would need videos, and this is just one little carved out area that I wanted to focus on, because even though it's not worldwide and everybody isn't using it, they are incorporating elements of personalized videos in almost every platform that is available. So I just think that this is something that you guys should be curious about and see if you can incorporate it into your day-to-day, especially if you are now starting to get comfortable creating videos and you want to see what other avenues are out there for you to be able to create content for your audience. So thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye.